Gogimit Minister in Ministry nebo Mungarosiek Rebecca Miano kole tinye tetutik serikalitab emoni kikimit kampunisiek chemengechen chemi en emoni niton ko oret agenge nebo kekanapta tuguk choton chekichobe en emetab Kenya. Kamwa Miano kole kibendi kiyopto niton koityi serkalisiek chebo counties ko oret agenge nebo konyorunen melekwakik ak kora boroinwek chebo boisionik koityi neranik.
Projects to bring industrialization to each county. I am aware that many people in Nairobi and in Kenya, even here in Laikipia, they assume that manufacturing and industries are for the big manufacturers, even foreigners. But we need to explain and demystify that manufacturing is for all of us. Any one of us with small or little startup capital can start their manufacturing plant. Those who grow tomatoes can start by making tomato paste. That is manufacturing. There are others who can do tanning for their leather. There are others who can manufacture nails. We have to start with small industries. In all these industrialized countries, it started with smaller and
Chitab Kolenjin akoyon kokakimuch kituch logoiwek chekimuch ketetunen betutab raini. Kainenyon ko Daisy Langatestai Girnyon Television amun Kimika.